My next one, I drop down to cleaner. I select that, I arrow up to new. I usually get to this pool somewhere between 2 and 3 o'clock, so I want to make sure that the cleaner mode is running so that when I show up to clean the pool, it's going to be already ramped up, ready for me to go. So I'm going to put it from 2 to 3:30. Now remember, this pump's going to speed up. So every day now from 2 to 3:30, the pump is going to speed up to our cleaner speed. And I'm going to shut them back off so that we can finish our program. We're going to drop down our pool lights. Our pool lights are IntelliBrights, and we're going to go backwards here in a little bit after I program this schedule. This client likes to have the pool lights come on every day, along with the yard lights, usually from dusk to about 11 o'clock. So 7:15 to 11. We got 3 programs entered in there. We're going to go back in and get rid of some of them. So the way I did that is I highlighted 2 of 3 and made it none. So you have to be mindful and watch these programs. You'll want to make it 1 of 1 rather than 2 of 3. So I'm going to go get it to flash again. 3 of 3. Delete it. I'm going to go back. Now I have 2 of 2. Delete it. Now I'm back to 1 of 1. Okay, so I'm going to menu back out of that. We're going to drop down. Air blower, we're not going to program. Yard lights, we're going to program for the same time. Again, we're going to get them to go on at the same time, 7:15 to 11 p.m. And I believe we programmed everything that we need to program. One more thing we're going to have to do is go and sync up our IntelliBright lights so that they stay the same color, and I'll show you how to do that. We're going to drop into settings, so we're going to bring up lights. We're going to drop all the way down here. We now want to configure them. I may have got ahead of myself, and we got to name them. So we can't sync them until we name them, so we're going to select that. None is flashing. We're going to make that the pool light. And we're going to select that first position is going to become white. And our delay, and we're back to there, so that's done. Now we can back out of that, and now we can go in and select the sync button, and what's happening is the controller is going to sync those lights up. So now if we went back up here to our colors, and we select that, and we want to make it blue, that first color is going to be blue, and you're going to hear the click, where the controller is going to control that to blue. I'm going to go back to my config because I know this client likes blue, and I'm going to make the first position blue. So I'm going to show you, go back to configure, back to pool light, select it, select the color and make it blue. Select that's going to be our new first position. So now that I changed that, I got to go back and resync it. And our lights should come on and they are blue, and now you're going to hear the clicks.